All work and no play leave your dog bored, frustrated, and anxious. Like kids, your dog needs exercises and your company. So what should you do when you know that you need to spend all day working hard? And what's the best way to offer your dog the fun, stimulating, and exciting exercise that she needs? Well, we have an easy and super exciting answer to these questions. Now meet Wickedbone, a bone-shaped interactive gaming device that performs like a truly smart, fun, and wonderfully wicked companion of your dog. It couldn't be more exciting, really. Wickedbone is really easy to use. Just download the Wickedbone app and connect via Bluetooth, and you can start playing with your dog. Move it with its virtual joystick. Wickedbone feels just like any other video game. Wickedbone's 9 preset motions are able to constantly keep your dog highly focused. The interactive mode is perfect for the moments when you're busy doing something important. When the interactive mode is activated, it is wired to guide your dog to play with it.
Say hello to Petcube Bites, the smart pet camera with Amazon Alexa voice control.
I like smart. Can it spy on my dog?
Of course.
Even that small?
Beyond a doubt. He's got big personality.
Can it see in the dark?
Oh yeah.
That's my kitty.
Cute.
Can he hear me?
Crystal clear.
Who's a good boy?
And what's that for?
You can load up treats inside.
And what treats can I use?
Your dog's favorites.
Oh.
Can it play fetch?
Swipe up to check. Only net.